when we think of adjectives, you have to keep in mind there are two types of adjectives. One are marked, one are not marked. So they are called unmarked, right? The one that are marked, they have the "a" ending, especially in the masculine singular. We will discuss how it works. The unmarked ones, they end either in consonant or in the vowel, but not "a" ending, right? It could be just a vowel sound without any other added matra to it. And of course, especially in the singular masculine. This one, the marked adjective, they agree with the gender and number of the noun that it modifies. Like masculine singular will be different and masculine plural will be different, and then the third one is feminine singular or feminine plural, because in plural feminine it doesn't change, it remains the same. So one for singular masculine, the second one is for plural masculine, and the third one is for feminine singular and plural. All right. While in this one, the adjectives doesn't have to change in order to modify the noun in order to agree with the noun that it is modifying. All right. Okay, so let's look at the examples. So the "a" ending masculine singular and marked ones, that's why they are called "a" ending, because they are marked, right? So the word bada, which is big, bada ladka, big boy, tall boy, right? Bade ladke. So bada "a" changes to "a", right? Because it has to agree with the gender and number of the noun it's modifying. In the same way, badi ladki, because this is feminine singular, so badi, bada becomes bade here, badi here, right? But I told you it remains the same in singular or plural feminine. So badi remains badi, badi ladki, badi ladkiyan. These two, they remain the same because these are feminine, so it doesn't change. This is singular feminine, this is plural feminine. All right. The other examples that you can think of, "a" ending are like bura, chota, lamba. There are many, right? So there are some of them. Now let's look at the ones that are unmarked, when they do not, the ones that do not change with the to agree with the gender and number of the nouns it's modifying. So lal is red, is the color, but it's also used as an adjective, like here. Lal kamra, the red room. Lal kamre, red rooms. Maybe more than one, right? So room, so this remains the same. See, lal kamra, lal kamre. Lal sari, the red sari. Sari is an Indian dress. So lal sari. Lal sari or red sari. Lal sariyan, this is feminine singular, this is feminine plural, but it remains the same. Lal sariyan, red saris, right? The other examples you can think of are like, chota is not here. Kafi, like kafi kamre, like many rooms, kind of, right? Kafi kamre, kafi sari, kafi sariyan. So this doesn't change. You cannot make it cafe or something. It's just a word. It's so this is ending in. See, there are two types of unmarked. One end in consonant or vowel other than "a". So this is the example of vowel other than "a", right? Now this is the example of consonant, which is "ba". So kharab. So if you say like kharab kamra, right? Bad room. Kharab kamre, kharab sari, kharab sariyan, kharab sabzi, kharab kela, right? So whatever the noun, no matter what the noun is, it just doesn't change, it remains the same. All right. Now, of course, there are some adjectives, they are "a" ending, but they do not change. For example, zada, more. It doesn't change. Like zada ladka, you don't say, but zada khana, right? Khana, like, is food. So zada khana, even if it's "a" ending thing, it doesn't change at all. Zada sariyan, right? It doesn't change, it remains the same. Like badhiya, badhiya kamra, badhiya kamre, badhiya sari, badhiya sariyan. It doesn't change at all, remains the same. Now, And it's the same here, like बढ़िया लड़के, बढ़िया लड़के, लड़की, बढ़िया लड़कियाँ, बढ़िया लड़का. So it's the same. Now there are some you make the adjectives by adding e vowel, e sound, or the vowel letter to the relative places that you're talking about. For example, you can add, like Bharat is used for India, right? So if you say Bharatiya, so e, you are adding e, like Bharatiya Sanskriti, right? Indian culture. Bengal or Bengal, that's the name of a place. Bengal. So Bengali is in Hindi. So Bengali sari, Bengali saris, right? Lucknowi chicken, Lucknow is the name of a place. You are adding e. So Lucknowi chicken, it's not chicken, it's chicken. It's a kind of fabric where they do embroidery. That's very famous. That's from Lucknow. It's known all over the world. So Lucknowi chicken, those who know, they know it. So Lucknowi chicken. Madrasi dosa. Madras is a place in South India. Madras, so you add e to it. So Madrasi dosa, it's a dish. So Madrasi dosa, right? So this is how you make adjectives, by adding e to the proper nouns especially.